Alright, good day guys, welcome to this YouTube video and welcome to this class. In today's video I'm going to be showing you very quick how you can convert your website to an Android application or to a mobile application. I'm going to be showing you the easy step without writing any code, even though this method I'm going to be showing you has to do with writing of code, but I'm going to be showing you how you can easily start converting any website of your choice to a mobile application and the source code available for you to do that. First of all, we are going to be looking at converting a particular website. But before then, I'm going to be showing you the IDE we are going to use for this project called the Android Studio. So just go to your browser and type Android Studio. Search for Android Studio in your browser. So here is the IDE we are going to be using for this development. We call it the Android Studio. So for you to run this Android Studio, you must have a laptop, and the laptop must run on a 16 let's say at least 8 gig RAM or 6 gig RAM and up to 300 hard disk drive. So if you have a laptop that has this specification, you are good to go. So what I'm going to do is, once I search the Android Studio, it's going to take me to this link, developer.android.com. then I'll click on the link. So from there it will take me to the website where I'm going to download the IDE to my laptop. So if your laptop does not have this specification, you will not be able to use this Android Studio. And most importantly, your laptop must run on Windows 10, Windows 8 upward. So if you are running on Windows 7, this IDE is not going to run on your laptop, and if it eventually runs, it's going to slow down your laptop. So it's better you use Windows 8 upward, and it should run on a RAM of 6 gig, 8 gig and more than that. So here we are in the website. All I'm going to do is I'm going to download the latest version of this Android Studio, but for my case now, I'm not going to download this latest version because I already have a version on my laptop. Later on I can come back here to download this version, but I believe this is the latest version. Once you come here, just download the latest version you found. But as for my case, I'm not downloading anything here because I'm going to be using this video to teach you how you can convert a website to an application. So once you are done with the downloading, you are going to install it. Let me show you how it's going to look like. Let me come back to this place and come back to my software. So I'm going to show you after you download it how it's going to look like on your laptop. So then from there you are going to install it to start making use of it. So here we have so under my software we have the Android Studio. So we can see this is the one I'm using on my laptop. So once I click on it, it's going to install it, but if I click on it now, it's going to tell me to first remove the one I'm using so that I'm going to install the new one. So I'm not going to install it for my case. Once you are done with the installation, once you find it like this, just click on it, follow the process and install it. Once you install it, it's going to load up for you and you are going to follow the prompt. So this is the Android Studio. For example, now here on my laptop, the Android Studio has already run and I've already developed some application, but for your case it's going to appear as a new as a new project. So let's say this is a new project we want to open. Let's say this is a new project we want to open. So this is how it's going to appear on your laptop, because it's a new project, is just opening for the first time. So but for the sake of this video, we are not going to be making use of all this. Instead, at the end of this video, I'll drop a link on how you can download the source code I use in this video. It's not going to be free, but it's going to be free for my students who took my website development course. So if you want to partake in the website development course, I also drop a link on how to make payment for the course. So if you make payment for the course, this video is free for you, and the source code I use in this video is going to be free for you. If you do not participate in the course, there's going to be a link for you to get the source code for you at a token amount of money. So all that being said, I'm going to be using the source code for you in this video in order not to waste much of our time. So that's why I said you can convert any website of your choice to a mobile application without writing any code. Every code has been written. It's just for you to plug and play and edit some things, and you are good to go. So what I'm going to do for the first time is to open this Android Studio with the source code. Now if I send you the source code, you can have something like this. Let me show you. You can have something like this. After extracting it, you can have something like this. So once you open your Android Studio, instead of you to have a blank space like this, you can actually we have a new project here. Then you can click on open, and when you click on open, you just look for the source code after you have extracted it. So for my case here, I'm going to look for it. So I'll just click on desktop. I'll look for desktop and select desktop. So you can see that this desktop. Let me click on desktop. So you can see under desktop we have all this folder, and here is the app, the source code for the app. Once I click on it and open, it's going to open everything that is there. So once you select it, click on OK, it's going to load and open everything that is there. So we are still having the same thing, we are opening the same thing. So now we don't need to do any extra thing. After you have clicked on it, after you click on new, after you click on open rather, and you select the app, which is the source code I'm going to send to you, I'm going to send it in a zip file. After you have extracted it, it will become a folder, and when you come to this Android Studio and click on open, you look for it where, if it is under desktop, you store it, you look for it, and it's going to appear. It's not necessary you save it like this. You can use another name to save it, but any name you use to save it, you will see a logo of this Android Studio, a logo of Android application. You are going to see it beside the name. So once you see it like that, just click on it and click on OK, and it will load up and open. Once it's finished loading, you are going to have something like this. So the first thing we need to do is to change the package name of this application. Every application on Play Store has a package name, a unique name. That is, it is not the application name, but it is a package name that it is being attached to it, so for it to be recognized on Play Store. So first thing you need to do is to change the package name of the application. So all you need to do is come to this Java, this place you have com.app.this, just click on it, and once you click on it, you can click on this place, and this tree appearance, click on it, and you are going to uncheck this compact middle package. So once you click on it, now you have everything drop down instead of it jam packed together. So you are going to change all this, except for this com. You can change or rename these two. So for my case, I'm not going to rename this app, I'm just going to leave it. I'm only going to rename this. So for me to rename it, I'm going to put my cursor on it, then I'll right click. So once I right click, there will be a drop down. So once there is a drop down, look for refactor. Then after refactor, there's also a drop down, and I'll see rename. So once I click on rename, I'll click on all directory. I'll select all directory, and it will tell me. So I want to rename it. Let me say let me change it to, let me just give it this name, or let me give it the name of, okay, let's use this. So I'll click on refactor. So it's going to change everywhere it is having this name before, it's going to change it there, but it's not going to change it for everything. So you are going to manually change it yourself after the changes has been done. So you can see that it has changed it here. So you come back to this place again, click this place again, this tree appearance, then check this place again. So everything will now come back to normal. So you drop this place. Let me drop all these things because we are still going to come there now. So once you have done it, let me delete all this place. Now I'll open it. I'll open the necessary ones for you, the ones you need, that are needed. So I'm going to open it. So all you need to do is just come back to this manifest, open this Android manifest. Now you look for where we have this. So let me just copy this app.crowntext. So that's the two package name. The com is just there, is not, you are not going to change it. So this place you're having Arewa, so you just change it, you paste it. This place you're having crowntext, this place you're having app.arewa, so you change it. Can you see? So you change every place that is not relating to your new so that one has been done. You change every place that is not relating to your new package name. So when you come to this place, Credo script, click on build.credo for the module app, the second one. When you open it, then this place too, you are going to change it. Now this is the version, SDK version, the target SDK version, the version code. If this is the first time of doing this application, you can leave it on version code 1, then the version name is 1.0. but if you have already been doing it and maybe Google, for one reason or the other, Google rejected the app, they are not going to accept the same version again, so you have to increase it to either 2, then this will be 2.0 or 2 point anything. So that's just it. And this place you're having synchronize now. So after everything, before I deploy the app, I have to synchronize it so that all the changes can take effect. So let's go. Now there's something we call logo. Now in this place you click on this rex resources, and under this place we have drawable. Now this logo, we are going to change it. You are going to change this logo too, we are going to change it. So all you need to do is get a PNG logo of what you want to use. Let's say this is the website I want to convert to an application, so I have to get the the PNG logo of it. So let's wait for the to load. So this is the website I want to convert to a mobile application, just for the sake of this lesson. So please, let's wait for it to load up. So here is the logo I want to use. Here's the logo I want to use. So I'll just click on it and download it. Let me download it. So I think this is a PNG logo, so I'll just save it on my desktop. So I'll look for it. I think this is it. All I'll do is just copy it. So I'll just copy it, then come back to the Android Studio, then come to this place. I'll right click. Can you see? I'll come to this place and right click, then I'll paste it. So you can see this Android Studio is very powerful, coupled with the fact that I'm using 6 gig RAM and 11 I'm using version 11, Windows 11. So I'll change it to logo, then I'll overwrite it, then I'll do another one for logo main. I'll paste it again. So you just have to paste it again, then change it to logo main, then okay, then override. So if you check this logo main now, if you check this and check the logo now, you see that it has changed. Can you see? So you can see that it has changed. So having done that, you come to this place, value. So we come to string and color. So open this string and you open this color. So then this color, just copy this color code and change the color code to the color you want. You can see that this I think this black blue or something like that. So I can just copy this code and take it to my browser. Once I copy it, I open another tab. Jesus, then paste it. So once I paste it, I'm going to run it, just like searching for it. So it's going to bring me other color code, so I can now select the color I want, then copy the color code. So it brings me to this color picker. So you can see that it's blue, black, or something like that. So if I want to use something like red, so I'll just select it. So you can see it's red. So then I'll just, this is the color code for the red I selected. I'll just click on this copy icon. I'll copy it. It has been copied. Then I'll come to this place. I'll start pasting it. Then you can see here it has changed to what? It has changed to red. So you can change it in everything. Just copy it, select and copy and paste it. Can you see? So you can do that in every part of this place. If you want to change the color, you can do that in every part of this place if you want to change the color. So let me just leave the rest like that because of our time. Now when coming to this string, now you can see that this is the name of the app and the version, so we can change it to the name. So just change it to something and you copy it, put it on the second line. Let me copy it and put it here. Then if you want to change the version code, you can change it. You can remove this version and just put 1.0. So then we have next, skipped, and got it. Now you can see that we have three slides: slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. So according to the way the app works, so we have 3 slides here. So slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. So the first slide is welcome, so you can change this to the name. Then you can see in this place we offer you the most affordable and cheapest. Now if this your app or website is not about data blah blah blah, you can change all these details to whatever you want. Share get. So let me just change the welcome page here. Let me copy this. Sorry. Let me copy this. So for the first line, I'll copy that and put it here. I'll just remove all this. So it's just as simple as that. So you can see I've changed that. Then the second one, data and airtime, you can put website. So that's one of our services. So then I'll come here, just pick something here. So you can see that it's just as simple as that. So I'll come here, I'm going to paste it. So then the third one is not for bill payment. So we have digital marketing. So I'll come here, just copy the write up under it also. Can you see? So copy it, then we'll put it here. So I'll just paste it so you can see. So after doing that, for the picture we on this that is going to appear on the slide, we can come back to this place. So after that has been saved, we can come back to this drawable, and we have payment. So this one we have incoming, we have top up, and we have welcome. This one, so this one is okay, this one is also okay actually, and the payment also is actually okay. So we can leave the picture like that. So this is the picture that will be on this welcome, will be on the welcome place, while this is going to be on the second page, while this is going to be on the third slider. So if you don't like it, you can actually download the picture you want to use, then just paste it and change the name here the way I did for this logo and logo main. So after you have done that, the next thing is to put the page or the website where you want this application, where you want to convert. So all you need to do is come to Java, open this Java, come to Java, then this first one, not the Android test or the test, this first one, open it, then this main activities, open it. Can you see? So open the main activities. So now you can see in this place you have WebView location. So this is the location where the load URL, where the WebView is going to load. So you just come here, copy the URL of this website, which is this. I'll just copy it, then I'll come to this place with the HTTPS. I'm going to paste it. So this is the URL of the website I want to convert to application. So if yours is not like this, just change it, make sure the HTTPS is there. Once you are done with it, just come here. I told you that after you are done with everything, you can now synchronize everything. So this asset is not necessary. This asset is just a welcome page. If you are into data business and you want to actually run app for your data business, so it's going to carry the login button and the sign up button, so it's not necessary. But this, we are talking about a direct web view that converts a website to an application. So once you are done, just click on synchronize now. So it's going to load and prepare everything. So once it has prepared everything, then we can now build the app. So let's wait for it to do all that. So you can see that it has been completed and there's nothing here again. So after this, all you have to do is just tidy up your work, and then so all you have to do is come to this menu and it will bring all this. Click on build. So now we want to build the APK. So there are two files you need to build. One is the APK file that can be viewable on your phone, on your Android phone, while the second one is the app bundle, which is the AB file. So now this file is the one, the bundle, the app bundle is the one that is being uploaded on Play Store. After it has been uploaded on Play Store and been approved on Play Store, people can now go there and install it on their Android phone. But this APK file can be directly installed on your phone without being put on Play Store. So that's the two different about the app. And now, so this is the APK to build it. So I will just click on here and build APK. So we can give it some time for it to build. So after building, we can now send it to our Android phone for testing. Then I'm going to show you how you can also build the app bundle to upload on Play Store. So let's wait for it to do that. Okay, now we can see that our app has been built successfully. The APK has been built successfully. So all you have to do is just click on locate. Once you click on locate, it is going to take you to where the debug APK is being stored. So let's wait for it. So I'll have to send it to my Android. So let me click on locate. So I have to click on it. So it's loading. So far so good. We have been able to come out by converting website to an Android app. So this is why I advise you use a laptop that has a good RAM, so as not to slow your work down. So let's wait for it to come up, as it is taking longer time. So all I have to do is, after this, the app that has been generated, I'm going to rename it. So let me rename it to something else. So I've renamed it. All I have to do is copy it, then send it to my phone. I'll copy it. So I'll come to my phone. I've already connected my Android to it. Just come to this place. So I'll come to this place. Just select a folder on my phone to save it to. So I'll just paste it here. I'll click here to paste it. So I'll just click here to paste it. So this is it. All I have to do is take my phone and open it on my phone. So but before then, let me just show you. Now after the APK has been built, you want to upload it on Play Store also. So to do that, you need the AAB file. So come to this build also. Come to this build also. Sorry, it's very slow. Come to this build. Then you have generate signed APK or app bundle. So meanwhile, the first one I built is not a signed APK. So you can also get a signed APK and a signed AAB file. An AAB file is always signed. So the one you need to upload on Play Store must be signed. So you must get the signed one. So let's wait for it to load up. So in this place, this is a generate signed app bundle or APK. So this section is used to generate a signed bundle or APK. Why the first one I use is not signed, it's just for you to debug it, to check if what you have done is okay, maybe there is any correction for you to make. So that's why it is called debug APK. So now if you want a signed one, either APK or the app bundle to install on Play Store, so this is how you are going to do it. Just click on the app bundle. Now this app bundle is the one that is going to be uploaded on Play Store. Click on next. So if you have not created, if you don't have an account, it's not an account that you are going to create as if maybe your name or you have to log in. No, once you create it, it will always be here, and you have an app key. So can you see my own? So if I want to create a new one, I'll click on create new. So I'm going to select the location where this thing is going to. Can you see I have a folder here called app bundle, and the name of the key, this is what I name it. So you can select a folder of your choice, then put the alias, the password, you confirm your password. The validity is 25 years. Then your first name, the organization, just fill out this place, locality, the state and the country. So once you are done, this place too, you are going to put your password. You are going to confirm your password. This alias, just put, you can use your name just like a username, then put password, confirm your password. Once you are done, click on OK. But meanwhile, this password must not be forgotten. You can save it somewhere so that you are not going to forget it. So when you want to upload app on Play Store, it's going to ask you to select the app key. You understand? But nowadays Play Store has make it more easier. You can select a recommended one from Google. So I'll cancel it because I already have an account. So all I will have to do is click on next, and I'll click on release. Now you can see this place, we have debug and we have release. This release is a signed one, while this debug is not is not a signed one. So you just click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to once I click on create, it's going to generate the sign bundle for me. So once it generates it, I can make use of it. So that is going to be that on this video, as I'm going to be testing the new app on my Android phone to see that it is working perfectly. So if you want to get the source code that I use in building this application or converting website to an application, I'm going to be dropping a link on how to get it or on how to download it for a token amount of money. But if you are inside my website development group or you paid to join my website development class, you are going to be getting this source code for free. But if you are not there, you are going to be paying a token amount of money to get it. I'm going to be dropping the both link in the description of this video. And if this is your first time in watching my video, my name is Daniel and here is my YouTube channel, Learn with Crown Tech. In this YouTube channel, all we do is to provide solution to your everyday problem, be it tech or be it business. So just come here, watch video, and if you find it helpful, you can also drop your comment. So if this is what you always want to see, always, please, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to drop a love for us. So this is going to be that for now. So we are going to be stopping here for now. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel.